नमस्कार दोस्तों, in this video we are going to learn some basic features of AxisDirect or how we can trade on AxisDirect. So we have to come upon the AxisDirect login page. Here we have to enter some personal details to login. After login, there are some tabs on left side and there are some tabs on upside. In middle we can see a watch list. From here we can add stocks. Let me explain these tabs one by one. First tab is place order. From here, by selecting holding type, we can place a buy or sell order. Like if you want to buy some shares and you want to hold these shares in your Demat account, you will go with cash option. But if you want to buy and sell the stocks on same day, then you will go with intraday option. I show you how we can place order in cash segment. It is asking name of the stock. Like if I have to buy 10 shares of PNB, I have to write name of the stock. I want to buy it on NSE, buy cash quantity. In quantity I have to enter 10. Price, in price we have two options, whether I have to buy on market price or limit price. Here I am selecting market price. By clicking on place order, the order will be placed and we can see our placed order in order status. And if the order is executed, we can find it in trade book. And on T+1 day, we can see our shares in holdings, stock limits. From here, you can also place a sell order for your existing stocks. Homepage. In report and services, by clicking ledger, we can find all the Demat and financial transaction related details and the reason behind that financial transactions. Another one tab is portfolio. By clicking portfolio overview summary, it reflects the profit or loss position of your Demat shares. By clicking portfolio report transaction summary, from here you can download a PDF of your all Demat transaction summary. So this is the basic interface of AxisDirect. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for listening.